Hi! Today we are going to cinema again with my boss. We are into cinema in this time. I don't know why.
Because nothing to do.
Yes, she feel bored and she want companion. Companion? What? Companion?
I like it when you say what?
What?
Anyway, they're working hard even in Ramadan.
Yes, alright.
And in the Eid
So
break.
she appreciates us, that's why. This is our, what is this? Reward.
Yeah.
Reward.
Having some fun.
My friends over there. The love team is there.
Our hair is short now.
Now look at my hair, it's short. I save money because auntie fixed my hair.
Go to the toilet and catch. Done.
It's so easy. You know, it's like how many? It's like I think 2 minutes she fixed it and then
For me, 2 minutes.
gone.
She decided to have.
Do you think, Caro, the cinema is open?
I hope. I hope.
I hope.
Mark is so excited.
It's my first time.
Siya ang nag-iisa naming lalakwi dito.
No, you remember 2 years ago, December, you give us cinema money.
Magiging lalakwi na yan siya
But it
katagalan.
was in Mall of Arabia.
Yeah. Going to cinema. So, in the Philippines, before I remember, only I can go if really I'm earning money from the market because I'm selling fish and the shrimp. And then I need to save money so I can go to cinema with my friend. But now, easy. For free. For
watch
free.
for free.
Yes, you can watch for free.
Not really for free, they were working hard.
Yes. Behind the scene, I think there's something.
Behind the scene. Small cars.
Yeah, there's cinema. Okay, we are in the parking, so we are going in.
Are we have
Next.
We are also
No.
empty, no? What?
Going
Haban,
in.
Haban, sorry. Yeah, Haban.
Let's go, Auntie.